Hello, Jolie Barber first graders. My name is Sgt Dawson with the Lebanon Police Department, and I was contacted by your teacher and asked to give you a video tour of the Lebanon Police Department. So that's what we're going to be doing today. We're going to go inside and take you on a tour, show you the different parts of the police department and some of our equipment. So just along for the ride, I guess. You'll have to forgive me, I'm not a professional video person, so here we go. We're going to go inside. This is where people come in to make reports and talk to police officers, the lobby of the police department. I'm going to flip the camera around here, I think, if I can figure it out. Maybe not. All right, then we go inside. And this is going to be our dispatch, where we come to the windows and get information and hand in paperwork. Then we go inside. And this is where all the calls come in from 911 and regular lines, and where our calls get dispatched out from. These are our computers that everything comes in on. And these are some of the lovely people that you speak to when you call into the police department. Everybody say hi. This is Ashley.
Hi.
Say hi, Ashley. And Angie.
Hi.
Right now it's somewhat early in the morning, so the craziness hasn't started yet. So later today, it'll be a whole lot of calls and people to help. Then we're going to go back here. We're going to show you where we keep our evidence. All the evidence we collect that is involved in crime, we bring here to the police department, and we have to store it. Some of it goes off to labs to be tested and whatnot. But whenever we get an item or an article, we bring it in here, have to put it in these cabinets here. And they all have locks on them. So we lock them up, and then our evidence custodian, she's behind this door here that she just is the only one that has access to. And then she puts the stuff on shelves and gets them ready to send to the lab so that it can be tested. And some of those items get pulled out for court and other things like that. And we're going to walk down the hall to our next location. So in here we have observation room for our interview rooms. When you come inside here, there's glass windows, computers. So whenever we're interviewing people, they will be on the other side of this glass here. And police officers talk to them, and detectives, and ask them questions about crimes and other things. It's not always criminal when you come into these rooms. Sometimes we just need to talk to people about different things, and we need it recorded. So that's what these rooms are used for also. Then we're going to come down here where the paperwork is done by the police officers whenever they get reports. They have to come back to the office and do work. So that's why your schoolwork's important. So one of these days you guys are going to have to put that to good use. So these are our workstations. Kind of a messy area because we're busy all the time. And that's what that looks like. And then we're going to move to our intake area, which is where we bring people after they've been arrested, and we have to get them what we call booked in. And that just means we gather their information and put it in our computers, and we take their fingerprints and things like that on this machine here. And then it's got a camera on it that takes their picture, so we know what they look like. We've got a bench here that we handcuff them to if need be. Another computer for processing information. And then we have our holding cells. We just have 3 because we're just a temporary holding facility. And this is what the cell rooms look like. And then on the other side of that little short wall there is a toilet. Now we're going to one of the other parts of the police department is the detectives bureau, and that's where some of the lengthier cases are taken care of. And this is one of our detectives' offices, and that is Detective Springer. She's hard at work solving crimes. Then we come down here to the chief's office. This is our boss. This is a guy we answer to, Chief Arnold. Everybody say hi to Chief Arnold.
Hello, boys and girls. I hope you're having a great day.
Thank you, Chief. Now we're going to go out here and we're going to look at a patrol car. It won't be as cool as if you were here with it, but nonetheless, you'll get to see inside one. So here's the patrol car that I drive currently. We'll show you some of the equipment inside. We've got our computer, the radio, the siren box. There's our microphone that we talk on right here. And this is the siren box here to make the lights come on. I don't know if you can see those in the camera or not. And then we got the siren. And that's pretty much what we have going on here. So hopefully once all this Corona stuff is over, you guys can come take an actual tour in person. It'll be a good time, and we look forward to having you. Thank you.